We begin tonight with that breaking news in the East Bay. It's a magnitude 4 earthquake. It just hit near Ashland. That is a community, small community in unincorporated Alameda County near Castro Valley.
KPIX 5's Andrea Nakano is live in Emeryville. And Andrea, I'm sure you felt it there.
Yeah, we're just about 50 miles from the epicenter of this quake, and we were right here in Emeryville putting together a story for the 7 o'clock news tonight. And there's a breeze out here, and sometimes there's a big gust of wind that would shake our car once in a while. But this time, there was definitely a very forceful jolt that you can definitely tell it was an earthquake. And I took to Twitter right afterwards and got some responses from people on Twitter, people in Clayton, Half Moon Bay, Emeryville, Berkeley, Oakland. A lot of people reporting feeling that earthquake today. One person in Oakland says, my entire house shook and my dog is confused. TR from Donahue from Berkeley says it was a quick and strong earthquake in Berkeley. And even our writer who works from home in San Francisco says that her apartment felt like there was a bubble underneath it. So it definitely was a very noticeable earthquake, 4.0, centered just about 50 miles south from here, guys.
Yeah, 4.0 is enough to definitely make you feel that and get a little surprised. All right, Andrea, thank you.
Get your attention for sure. The digital seismograph here at the station recorded the jolt. There it is, big spike right there. And that is the energy of a magnitude 4 earthquake.
Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Paul Hagan now, and he is tracking the epicenter.
Yeah, and the Did You Feel It map from the U.S. Geological Survey. I'll show you that to you in just a second. First, let's zoom in. If you're not entirely familiar with the part of the Bay Area we're looking at, it is in Alameda County. It is just to the east of San Leandro, to the north of Castro Valley, but that's just where it's centered. You can feel it for quite a ways around that, and this is that Did You Feel It map from the U.S. Geological Survey. People reporting the magnitude of the shaking that they had. And most of these reports are on the lower end of the spectrum. Strongest report's actually about 15 miles away in San Ramon. My wife lives in San Ramon along with me. I'm just not there. She didn't really feel a thing. So this is kind of one of those things where it depends on exactly what you were doing at the time, whether or not you noticed it. But plenty of people mentioning on Twitter that they felt it from all around the Bay Area, even reports from as far away as Sacramento of people feeling this magnitude 4.0 quake.